Hello, happy Monday, and good morning, my friends. So, for math this week, we're going to continue learning about multiplication as just a little bit of an intro so you guys start to get the hang of it and what it might look like. So, what I would like you to do is hopefully an adult has printed this worksheet off for you. And what you're going to do is you're going to follow along with me just like we did last week so that we can work on this worksheet together. If you're having troubles, make sure you ask an adult at home to help you, or you can also call me on Google Meets or Google Hangout, and I can help you work through this as well. So your worksheet should look like this. All right. I need to make sure that my pen is working. Okay, so we're going to work on this together. So last week we looked at multiplication and we related it to repeated addition. So remember when we would look at each group, and each group needs to be an equal group of something, right? So let's look at this first problem together. So we have, how many groups do we have here? We have 1, 2, 3. And how many balloons are in each group? We have 1, 2, 3. So we have 3 groups of 3. So when we're looking at our multiplication sentence, this would represent our groups. So we have 3 groups of 3 balloons, right? So we have 3 groups, 1, 2, 3, of 3 balloons in each group, which is 3. All right, so if we're going to do repeated addition, we need to count up how many balloons we have. We have 3 plus 3 plus 3. And if we do that, we go 3 plus 3, which equals 6. Add another 3 onto that equals 9. Now we want to look at the multiplication sentence. So do the repeated addition sentence first and then the multiplication sentence. So we have 3 groups of 3 balloons, which we added up was 3 plus 3 plus 3, which equals 9. So 3 times 3 equals 9. Because if you count them, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. But we used repeated addition to also figure that out. And you can also look at your multiplication sentence and say, I know that 3 groups of 3 equals 9. All right, let's try the next one together. All right, let's look here. So we have 5 times 2, which means 5 groups of 2. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 groups. And how many apples are in each group? We have 1, 2. So we have 5 groups of 2. So we need to write that. We have 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. We have added 2 5 times, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now let's look at our multiplication sentence. So we have 5 groups of 2. If we go back and look at our repeated addition sentence, we have 2 plus 2 equals 4. Add another 2, which equals 6. Add another 2, which equals 8. And add another 2, which equals 10. And if you have a really long repeated addition sentence like this, you can look at it like skip counting, right? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 equals 10. So if we look at our multiplication sentence, this actually is kind of easier than repeated addition. I know that 5 groups of 2, so 5 times 2, that's only 5 plus 5, which equals 10. And then let's check if we're right. Let's count all the apples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, my friends, I hope that helped. So now I want you to try the rest of the worksheet all by yourself. And if you need help, please let me know. All right, good luck. Have fun.